Hi everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today's recipe is Paneer Tikka Pizza. It's really yummy. I made it without pizza sauce and it get done in only 10 minutes. Yes. So first I'm taking half cup water and adding dry active yeast 1 teaspoon and adding sugar half teaspoon. Mix it well. Then adding Maida, 2 cups of Maida. You can also keep it after mixing the yeast and sugar for 5 minutes, or you can directly put the Maida also. Add oil tablespoon. Add some salt. Knead the dough and keep it aside for exactly 2 hours. So after kneading the dough, add some oil on top. Spread it all over. Now cover it and rest for 2 hours. So in a bowl I have taken curd, I have taken some pepper powder, Tandoori Masala, Chaat Masala, Kasoori Methi powder, mixing everything well. Then I'll be adding the paneer to it and all the vegetables. So I have not added tomato here, tomatoes I'll be adding last. So first I am adding the paneer. I have taken 50 grams of paneer and some onion and capsicum, like 1/4 of each. So mix everything well, add little mustard oil 1 teaspoon. Mix again. Now if you see, the dough has swelled to double in size. So again tuck the dough. And make 3 equal parts. I have taken 2 teaspoons of mustard oil now. And adding all the paneer and veggies to it and cook it in a high flame for 5 minutes. Now I'm adding 1/4 of tomato, so I have removed the seed as well, and mix it and switch off the flame. Now preheat the oven at 550 degree Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, or whichever is the maximum temperature, preheat in that temperature. Now roll the dough like chapati. Place it in a baking tray and prick it with fork. Now add the tomato ketchup or any pizza sauce. Spread all over. So I am adding the ketchup here. I didn't find any difference between ketchup and pizza sauce, so as per your choice you can add that. And add some chilli sauce to give it a spicy taste. Then I am adding some oregano to it. Adding the mozzarella cheese. So I am making one plain and the other one will be paneer tikka pizza. So I am adding the paneer and veggies over in one pizza. Spread everything with hand evenly. Now add some more mozzarella cheese. So make sure do not preheat the oven for more than 10 minutes. And now add some oregano on top. Add some chili flakes if you want. Now bake it for again 10 minutes at 550 degree Fahrenheit. Keep checking every 1 minute after 10 minutes. And you will see the burnt mark, then you remove the pizza. So our pizza is ready. It's really yummy and it came out perfectly well. If you see, yeah, it's swelled properly and everything is done perfectly here. If you see here, the burnt mark is proper and it swelled really well. It cooked properly. And our pizza is ready. So do try it at home and let me know your comments in your comment box. So thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day. Bye.